Let's see how to write alpha in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to type in alpha, simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Symbol. And right here, click on More Symbols. Now to find alpha, make sure that your subset is in Greek and Coptic. And that will direct you to the Greek and Coptic subset, where you can find different symbols, such as the alpha symbol, which is indicated by this letter A, capital letter alpha, or this small letter a, which is the Greek small letter alpha. And simply click on Insert to type that into your document. Or you can also type in directly into your text 03B1 and click on Alt X on your keyboard. And that should also turn into an alpha symbol. And that is how you can write alpha in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.